All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the label holder for the 1202 as well as load it. Comes in 3 pieces: the right, the core, and then the left. There is no better name, but in the video that's what I'll refer to it as. First step, pick up the left side. See this pin here? We'll position the core downward where we can have the hole go right over the pin. Just push it through. And it went straight on there. If it doesn't, and say it goes on like that, just rotate it. You can see it rotates, and you get 2 on this side, 1 there, 1 there. And then go ahead and load your labels on where it goes over with a piece on the left looking like that. And then this third piece is gonna have a slit right there. Lines up with that. Just flip that over there on that. And then just push it on. And you can look, make sure these are aligned, this side and this side. And it snaps on. There should not be a gap on either side. You could twist there, make sure it's in place. And then you're good. You can load it as normal and then feed your first one through. And to remove it, I find it's best to pull from the bottom here. Just up slowly. And then it pops out. All right.